Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the world of landscaping, but not just any landscaping. We're focusing on the common mistakes homeowners make that can lead to a less than ideal outdoor space. Think a yard that doesn't look its best, wasted time and money, and even damage to your plants. We're going to uncover these mistakes, explain why they happen, and show you how to avoid them. Get ready to learn and create a beautiful, healthy outdoor haven. Our first mistake is one that's easy to overlook: ignoring soil quality. Think of your soil as the foundation of your landscape, and just like a house, if the foundation isn't strong, the whole structure can suffer. Healthy plants need healthy soil, and that means checking its composition. We'll talk about how to test your soil to see what nutrients it lacks and how to amend it. Adding compost and other organic materials provides the essential nutrients and improves drainage, allowing your plants to flourish. Now, let's talk about a common landscaping dilemma: overwatering or underwatering. It's a delicate balance, and getting it wrong can have serious consequences. Too much water can suffocate your plant's roots, leading to root rot and even death. On the other hand, not enough water can cause your plants to wilt and struggle. We'll guide you on how to determine the right watering schedule for your plants and your landscape. This involves understanding the specific needs of each plant, the soil type, and the overall climate. By getting this right, you'll ensure your plants receive the optimal amount of moisture to thrive. Next up, we're tackling the mistake of planting in the wrong place. It might seem simple, but choosing the right spot for each plant is absolutely crucial. Consider sun exposure. Does the plant need full sun, partial shade, or shade? Soil type is also important. Some plants prefer well-drained soil, while others thrive in heavier soils. And don't forget about mature size. Will the plant eventually outgrow its space? We'll show you how to select the perfect location for your plants, ensuring they have the ideal conditions to grow strong and healthy. Let's talk about pruning, a vital aspect of landscape maintenance that's often overlooked. Not pruning regularly can lead to overgrown, unkempt plants, which can be unsightly and even unhealthy. Pruning helps keep your plants looking their best, but it's more than just aesthetics. It's essential for healthy growth. By removing dead or diseased branches, you encourage new growth and help the plant direct its energy to healthy areas. We'll show you the basics of pruning different types of plants, from shrubs to trees, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge to maintain your landscape effectively. Finally, we come to a crucial element of landscape maintenance that's often underestimated: mulch. Mulch is like a protective blanket for your soil, offering numerous benefits. It helps retain moisture, preventing your plants from drying out, especially during hot weather. Mulch also helps regulate soil temperature, keeping it cool in summer and warm in winter. And by suppressing weed growth, it reduces competition for nutrients and water. We'll explain the various types of mulch, how to apply it properly, and why it's essential for creating a healthy, thriving landscape. So, there you have it: 5 common landscaping mistakes that can be easily avoided. By paying attention to soil health, watering practices, plant placement, pruning, and the use of mulch, you can create a landscape that flourishes and brings you joy for years to come. Remember, it's all about a little bit of effort. A little care goes a long way in transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful and thriving haven. Now get out there and start creating your dream landscape.